slide and we do some special something. So with that again, I'm doing some slime experience. See, I got something with fill up with water and it's special one. Here, what do you do? Water come and then hand off. So here the way all the water coming, and then we gonna fill up with water and then we can do something. See, you can come like this and it's coming really good. Now it's coming really good and I fill up with this water and I'm trying to test it so I can fill it. Okay, I got some towel here. This is good, soft, and then I put some water. Be really softly. Whoa, very soft and good and really good. It's coming a lot of things. So here I gonna do again. So let's see. Whoa, lot of water on it. And good. And that's it. Okay, that's all in the channel. Bye bye. Whoa.